my up next babies? It's your girl LexUpNext, and I'm back with another video. If you're a returning subscriber, what's poppin'? And if you new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Stop playing with it. Stop playing with it. Stop playing with that subscribe button. Go hit that right now. Okay, y'all. What's my okay, y'all, so I'm gonna just hop straight into this video. I'm about to show y'all how to apply this 30, I think it's 32 inches. Yeah, I'm about to show you how to apply this 32-inch Deepwave wig. It's a frontal, and yeah, I already had it installed one time, but I had to reinstall it. So I had it professionally installed the first time, and it was time for it to be reinstalled, so I just reinstalled it myself. I'm not no professional, but get into it. And don't mind my skin. I'm having a bad breakout with my skin because of the products. Because the products that I usually use, they ran out, and I waited too late to purchase them. So in the midst of me waiting for them to ship out and debating when I was gonna order it, my face started breaking out really bad. My product's supposed to come today, but if you haven't seen the video of me clearing up my skin, because this is just temporary, baby. Once I get them products, my skin is back clear. But if you haven't seen that video, go check that video out, because I already made a video of what I did to clear my acne up. Another thing, go follow me on my Instagram. I'm gonna leave it on the screen. My Instagram is LexUpNext, even though I'm up now, but it's LexUpNext. Make sure y'all go follow me on Instagram, and make sure y'all subscribe, you know, like this video. Definitely like the video, but yeah, so this is the wig I installed. The person that did it before me, they they installed it on me before me. They bleached the knots already, and they plucked it. They did all of that good stuff, so I didn't have to do none of that. Thank the Lord, because that take the longest to me. That is one of the hardest parts, is pluck. Not even hard, it's just so tedious, but plucking the wig and bleaching the knots, all that. And you're gonna see in the video where I already had the ball cap on, because I didn't feel like doing that in the video. So this video is strictly me applying this wig, okay, and doing a, you know, styling it and stuff. So yeah, y'all stay tuned and watch the whole video. I'll be seeing y'all click out. Watch the whole video. But all right, y'all, I'm not gonna hold y'all for long, so we just about to get into this tutorial. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by just putting the wig on, and like I said, the cap is already on there, so I'm just putting the glue around the edge of the cap. I forgot what type of glue this is. This is a glue that everybody uses on their wigs, well, most people. So I put the glue on there, and I just blow dry it a little bit to turn it kind of clear, not all the way clear, but just so it won't be too white. Now I'm placing the edge of the wig on the glue. This not really in detail, like, because like I said, I've used this wig already, so the lace is already cut, and I'm just placing the edge of the wig on the glue, and you can see where it's cut at. If you get what I'm saying, it's usually extra lace on the wig, but because I used it before, it was already cut. So like I said, I'm not a professional, so I put the glue on there, and I still had to put a little glue around the edges. So that's what you see me doing in this clip. And I'm making sure the sideburns are glued down, because my sideburns be the first thing to lift on my wigs, only because my natural sideburns is kind of thick. So I'm just making sure all of the lace is laid down, and I want to pull all the hair out of the way, so I can really get a good visual of how I want my baby hairs. So right now I'm just pulling out the hair that I'm gonna use for my baby hairs, and it's already cut. So I'm trying to get as much of the cut baby hairs down, and I'm trying not to pull too much of the longer strands of hair. But I eventually had to cut a little of the long strands that I did pull down, so that's what you're gonna see me do. But right now, I believe I'm about to just pull my baby hairs out and just move them out the way, so I can start really styling the front of the wig. So I'm just twisting the baby hairs up so they can be out of my eyes. And then you want to take a hot comb and you just want to comb the rest of your hair back, like hot comb it back, just to get a real smooth front look. That's how I like doing mine. Some people just go in with water and mousse and just use that, but I like it to be really flat in the front where my baby hairs is. So that's why I use the hot comb first, and then I go in with some mousse. I believe the mousse I used was olive oil, but you can really use any mousse. I like this mousse because it's more thicker than using the mousse that's in the blue bottle. You know, the one that's more watered down. I like using thick mousse, especially on curly hair. So as you can see, it's really flat from using the mousse, and I just put a little Got To Be spray. That's a mini bottle of Got To Be spray, and I put that on the lace to kind of give it the melted effect. You know, the effect that the Got To Be glue spray be doing. It kind of just melt the lace on one end. Okay, so right here I used the elastic band. My elastic band was not long enough to tie around the back of my head, so that's why you see me holding it and looking crazy. Yeah, I looked crazy. I held it there for a little minute, not too long, but I couldn't find my other headband that I could tie around, like the elastic band to tie around, so this is what I had to use. Yeah. Now right here, I'm just cutting the extra baby hairs after I took the headband down from my lace. I'm just cutting the little extra pieces of strands of hair that was too long. And now I'm about to go in and style these baby hairs. So I took some of the mousse and put it on the baby hairs, and I just started to move them in a direction that I kind of wanted them to go. I know I like doing a side part, so I kind of did the baby hairs to go with a side part, so that's why it's kind of starting on the side of my hair. And using the mousse is really going to just hold the baby hairs in place so you can shape them the way that you want to shape them. So right here, that looked really dangerous, y'all. I was trying not to burn my hair, and I think I did burn it, but I was trying to flatten that baby hair. So after I use the mousse, I go in with the Got To Be gel in the black squeeze bottle or whatever you call it. So yeah, I'm kind of struggling, but you see, it's coming together. That black, the Got To Be in the black bottle, that really holds them in place. So the mousse really just helps you to shape them the way you want, and then the Got To Be in the black bottle help you to like keep them where they at. So you just kind of gotta play around with them and get them how you want. It's kind of a process, but yeah, you'll get it after a couple tries. As y'all can see, I'm not using no edge comb. The edge comb works good too, but this was just the first comb I grabbed, so that's what I decided to use. And I just decided to make that baby hair right there, that little piece, go the opposite way. I don't know who I thought I was, but yeah, I was just trying something new. And then I wanted my sideburn to be dramatic. You don't have to have your sideburn as dramatic as mine, but that's just how I liked it. So I be feeling like with curly hair, you want dramatic baby hairs. Like, I don't know, that's just me, but I just be feeling like that. And then like with straight hair, you kind of want to do a more natural kind of baby hair look. But curly hair, I be going all out. I cut a little of them just to make it lay how I wanted it to lay. And then I think I'm gonna do the little swirly thing on that side too. But that's what y'all don't see me do right here. It's like your baby hairs just go with the flow. You just gotta go with the flow. Whichever way they trying to go, lay them that way. And now I'm just gonna take my little edge scarf and put that over the baby hairs and just lay everything in place. And while that's laying in place, marinating, I'm gonna start working on styling the actual hair of the wig. So I did my little side part, and why all these text messages want to come through now? Yes, exactly. Okay, but now I'm just spraying some water on the hair, and as you can see, it's really curling it up. Like, it looks really good when you wet it. So I wanted to kind of keep that look. So after I spray the water, well, I'm gonna just let it get to the part so y'all can see. So just spray the water on there, like get it drenched. Don't mind the text message noise going on, because I don't know why my computer is just getting these text messages. They all want to come through while I'm trying to record, of course. But now I'm just brushing through the hair, because you don't want it to be any tangles in it. You just want everything to lay and look good. So just brush through it. Now I'm taking some conditioner, and that was the Aussie Moist conditioner, and I'm putting that on there to kind of keep it looking that moist look. I just want to rub that through there. Then I'm using some, I think that was like some argan oil, rockin' oil, I don't know, some oil, and you just want to put the oil on there. You don't have to use the exact same products I use, but yeah. And on top of the oil, then I put the mousse to like really lock everything in, because you know the mousse kind of gets a little, it don't get hard, but you know how mousse get, it kind of get hard, but not too hard. It just lock everything in. And then on top of that, I'm using the Got To Be spray, and that's really gonna lock it in and kind of keep it looking that wet look. Right here, I'm just putting my part exactly where I want it, and everything is really laying, like laid. I be surprised at myself every time I do a wig, because like I said, I'm not no professional, but I could do a little something. I'm taking that hot comb again, make sure everything laid how I want it to be laid. And don't mind that little light spot. I'm going to fix that with some makeup. That light spot in the part of the wig, that was just part of the cap that I didn't really hide or whatever. So yeah, I'm going to put a little Got To Be spray right in that part. Rub that in, and yes. Ooh, I could be a professional if I wanted to. I just don't think I got the patience to be doing no wigs all day. Yeah. Y'all see it, get into it, period. Because I might know what I'm doing, like. And that's the finished look, y'all. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, because I enjoyed making it. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And if y'all want to see more videos like this, let me know. Again, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, LexUpNext. And yeah, so I'm going to see y'all in my next video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Bye.